All right, Lise, where are we?
We're at Universal Studios. Woohoo! I love you.
Sandy, we're family, and that's all that matters, because we're family. What are we on? What ride are we on? Fast yet? Come on, so we're family. Right?
Yep.
Is that it? That's all you got? Yep.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, you're too cool, huh? You're just too cool. Look at that stuff. Ah, see? Family.
Welcome everybody. Jump right in. Straight on ahead, my friend. Head on in. Over here. Over here. Over here.
Hey, Mia. Hey, Pat. I see our party goers have arrived.
They have. Say hi.
Hey, everybody. I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother had another car for his collection. Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
I don't either.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room. Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family. And the faces you see on these walls are our family.
But my face isn't
When
there.
I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together again.
Mia?
So, welcome to our family.
Okay, well, welcome. Your face isn't going up either. Oh. Hey, Tash. Say hi to
All right. What's up, man?
That's my
Hey,
Tash.
Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
He says that so smoothly.
I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
I'm not
Yeah.
going, just these fine people are.
Pat, let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the war room.
Anything for you.
Please.
Did you see that link? Don't be jealous. I get it every few minutes. That's great. So yeah, you're headed to Jamie's ballroom. Just a word of caution, don't touch anything. Yeah, I touched. That's why I'm not allowed over there anymore. That broke some stuff.
With you right now, but I'm actually at work right now. Yeah, no, Tej is out. Yeah, I'm on my own today. Listen, I would love to talk, but I really can't. I've got people coming in right now. Yeah, no, I gotta go. But it's about your boyfriend? What about your boyfriend? Is he still garbage? Oh, no, I can't get into it right now. I will call you back. We'll talk later. Yeah, no, I will call you back. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. I'm hanging out. All right. Bye. Bye. All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the War Room. My name is Jimi. This is not where I usually work. I usually have my own office, but I'm helping out Tej today. My first time without him. He's actually calling right now.
Jamie, the buses are here.
Great. Could you be more specific on the here part? Because I have no idea where they are. You're getting a call.
I got this,
Are
Jamie.
you sure?
Dom,
Because
what up?
I can answer phones.
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs.
Hobbs is his bestie.
The FBI is about to raid their location.
Oh, that's not good.
Man, they always ruining our
Is
fun.
this because of my search history?
It's worse.
I can
They're
explain.
leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Oh, sure.
Sure.
Remember him?
That cockroach we beat down in Spain?
That's the one.
What's he got to do with this?
Everything.
Nothing yet.
I mean, nothing.
And let's keep it that way.
Yeah.
Get those people on those buses.
Right. Where'd you park them?
You need to start plugging out right
I
now.
also can't get the doors
Get that
open.
turbo truck ready. I'm sending Letty there to pick it
I'll
up.
call her and let her know.
I'm on it.
Never mind. I guess he's on.
Hobbs needs our help. He needs our team. Spread the word.
All right. So tell everyone
And keep it in our family.
that you know,
And keep it quiet.
or say nothing. Absolutely nothing. You get a call from
It's
Hobbs.
Hobbs.
Yeah, Hobbs.
Hobbs, my man. What up?
He looks like a 90s
Sorry,
wrestler.
Tej, no time for chit chat. I just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
No.
Yeah,
I mean, yeah.
he wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
Well, you'll be safe.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going.
Forget what I
We
said.
need to discuss how you're gonna get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
Ain't that why we have party buses?
Okay, hold on.
No?
Let me get everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
He has no plan.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones.
They won't.
We don't want Shaw tracking your locations.
My ex does that.
Okay, Jamie, you heard the man.
Yeah, you're on a
It's
TV.
about to go to a whole nother level.
Ludicrous, right?
Send everybody to the loading dock.
Loading docks, got it. Alrighty, guys, head on over to the loading docks. Don't worry about all the danger you're walking into voluntarily by no fault of my own. Have fun at the party if you make it. Make good choices or don't. I'm not yet, so I don't listen yet. That's right.
We're family. What are we?
We're friends.
Yes, we're family.
We're family.
You think we'll get on this bus?
I mean, it's calm bus ride, I assume.
I hope so, because the FBI's are on their way and we don't want to be busted by the FBI. No.
Kind of like
Listen up, everybody. My man Hobbs wants to talk directly to y'all, so I'm patching him through now.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe on the shop, but to keep you safe, we need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras, because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, if you got a problem, we deal with it together.
Party.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party and the what other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move. Neil, that's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron the shirt? I'm like,
You're under arrest right now.
ladies, let's back up a little bit. Slightly. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
That ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm just having another time.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you later.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw tricks us. I just can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Okay, gang, no flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
command you, Mr. Witness. Speak now, or you all get fried.
This is our turn.
After him.
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Cover the left. This feeling going faster. Robert, Buddy, look him up.
I got the move now.
Now we're moving.
You give me the witness terminal, we call it a day. They're company. Witness is mine, Betty.
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away. On the car.
Way to go, Lenny.
Don't let another missile shot.
Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got you.
Over those shoes, head for the bridge. Under construction. Everybody hold on.
Hit the nitrous. Ride or die.
Where'd you people learn to ride like that? And witness, whoever you are, you lucky to be riding with this crew. They got your back.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys did good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
All right. Let's forget about all that mess. The party is now. Time to act a fool.
That's family.